Hello YouTube, I'm Paul, and this is my first vlog, which I'll upload to YouTube. I'll try to make a vlog every day for a year. I've been inspired by Shay Carl and CDFXC, and I want to make this. I want to record my life when I'm 13. It's the first day of summer, and it's so hard to speak to this camera. I don't know, this is my first vlog. I don't know what to do, what to speak about, and shit, I don't even know how to make this. I've seen, as I said, CDFXC and Shay Carl. It seems so easy, but it's not. And it's really hard to speak because I'm not from America or England. I'm from Lithuania. And you know when people from the internet say that people look at them weird when they're talking to a camera? Well, imagine this. I live in Lithuania, and where nobody speaks English. I mean, they know English, but they speak Lithuanian. And I speak to a camera. This will be really, really strange. So that's it. Just short vlogs, short little videos for a year. See you, and this is my dog. Becca. See you guys.